Hey guys, this is Cool Toys for Kids. Today we're going to open and test Star Wars Remote Control BB-8. BB-8 is battery operated with remote control, and this droid rolls in any direction and makes expressive droid sounds. It requires 2 AAA alkaline batteries for the remote and 4 AA alkaline batteries for the droid. Assembly is required, and this toy is suitable for age 5 and up. Well, let's go ahead and open the box. Here right up to the top, you can see BB-8's head. It looks pretty cool. And I guess this is the module that goes inside the BB-8 body. And here's the magnet. And this is also where the 4 AA battery goes. Cardboard, and here we have the instruction. This is BB-8's body. And the remote control. And here to the left is the controller for going forward and rolling backward. And on the right hand side will be the controller for turning BB-8's head to the left or to the right. Alright, let's put the batteries. I use the Phillips or the crosshead screwdriver to loosen the screw. Two AAA batteries. Now to the module. Four AA's. Oh, it talks to us. Even I don't touch the remote. That's pretty cool. Hi BB-8. Now let's try to open the body by twisting it counterclockwise. Insert the module inside. And now we have to turn it clockwise. We have to twist it and align the arrows. And these are the arrows, if you can see on the camera. It feels and it looks like a toy. I guess that's supposed to be, but what I meant is like it's so plasticky. But I guess that's what we paid for. There's no battery to turn on. We have to shake him gently like this to wake him. I think he's awake. Let's put the head on. It will align automatically because of the magnet. Let's give him a little warm up. I guess he's still asleep. Alright, let's give it a try again. So the head stays on top while BB-8 rolls. And if you notice, you have to turn the head where the eye is pointing. That's where the direction it's gonna go. That's pretty cool. So if you want to change direction, you have to turn the head. And always remember to point the remote at all times on BB-8. That's pretty cool. And if you want to turn him off, we have to hold him upside down for about 2 seconds. And you heard it, the sound is like a sleepy sound, right? And if he's inactive for 5 minutes, it will turn off by itself. Okay, let's put him on the floor and watch him go. It's really a product designed for younger kids. I have a 5-year-old boy, I know. If the child had RC toy before, keep in mind this toy doesn't do much. This is made for a true Star Wars fan. It does a great job of emulating the sounds of a droid. I give this a thumbs up. When I first tried it, I was pressing forward button, turning the head at the same time, trying to roll him in different directions, in circles. Then his head fall off every now and again. It works better when I turn his head to the direction I wanted him to go, then press forward or backward. Yes, it rolls in different directions, inaccurately though. I guess that's to be expected for the price. If it's $10 cheaper, it's more reasonable. Also consider it's a sphere. It finds its balance, and while doing that, causes him to move slightly different direction. Plus the design of the body has holes and bumps. It's inaccurate but still fun to play with. I still give this Star Wars remote control BB-8 a thumbs up, and I will still buy it. He is so cute and he does a great job emulating the sounds of a droid. And 2 of my family members love Star Wars. Well guys, thanks for watching. This is Cool Toys for Kids. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe, and have a great week.
Oh,